welcome to Tech. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video base is only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewer, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press the bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So viewers, in last video I gave you information how to find your wallet address. Yes, sometimes you need to deposit your account, so you must have your wallet address. Then you can easily deposit. So how can you find? So please go to my YouTube channel, watch my last video. That video is very informative for you. So today we are going to find our private key of our Qtum wallet. Yes, you can easily find your private key of Qtum Core wallet. So you just simple same scenario use, and then you can easily find private key. So how can you do this? So simple and easy. But first of all, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. You can also visit my website. My website name is cryptowalletsinfo.com. So now I'm going to open my Qtum Core Wallets video because today we are going to find private key of wallet. Yes, you can find private key of your any wallet address which is you create in same system and same software. You cannot find any other wallet address, like if you use other system and you want to find that wallet private key, so you cannot do this. You just simple get the private key which is you use same system and same software. Okay, you can see here this is my system, same system and same software. So how can I find the private key, and what is the command and how can we use? So please use same scenario at your side. So you can see here the Qtum Core wallet is open in front of me. My blockchain data is fully downloaded. If you need to find the private key of your wallet, so you don't need to update full blockchain data. You just open your Qtum wallet and after that use same scenario. So you can see here the Qtum wallet is open in front of me. So I need to click on receive, and let's suppose we want to find this wallet address private key. So how can you do this? So simple and easy. First you just copy your wallet address and also open the notepad file, Qtum wallet address. Okay, so now we are going to find private key of this wallet. So how can you do this? Is just simple copy, so simple and easy, close, and after that you can see here in top of side you can see here there is 4 tab: file, setting, and window and help. You just click on or move the cursor on this window, and after that you can see here the 5th number is console, and you can also use the short command Control T. Now when you open Android console window, so you must read the options or warning: welcome to the Qtum Core PCR console, use up and down arrow to the native history, and also click Control R to clear screen. And also you can see here read the warning: scammer have been active, telling users to type command here, stealing their wallet contents. Do not use this console without fully understanding. So viewers, you just use that command which is I am going to show you on this video, and don't use to other command, because if you use other commands, so it's maybe your fund will be lost. So now we are going to type the command: how can we import our private key or find the private key, sorry, find the private key of any address. So just simple you write here dump, D-U-M-P, dump private key, dump private key. This is the command. I'm just also paste in notepad file, so for visible for you, you can see here this is the command: dump private key, read D-U-M-P-P-R-I-V-K-E-Y, dump private key. This is the command of find your private key. So I write here dump private key and then press spacebar and then paste here my wallet address. Sorry, I want to again get my wallet address because I copy my command. So I just simple copy again my wallet address and open again console area, and already I have right here dump private key space and control V. So this is fully command. First you need to write dump private key. After that press one space. You can see here one space bar is here, and after that you paste your copied wallet address here, and then click to or enter. When you click on enter, you can see here this is my private key. This is my private key of my this wallet. So I just simple copy and open the notepad file and write here private key and paste here. Now this is my wallet address. If I want to deposit on my account, so I need to this, and this is my private key of this wallet. If I need to recover my account, import my account, or restore my account, so I must have this information. So I'm just going to again go to the receive area. So I'm going to change the address or refresh. Now new address is open in front of me. For change, so I'm just simple copy again, and again go to the console area, and now again type here dump private key, press space bar. After that paste here my wallet address and then enter. Now as you can see here, we have successfully find private key of our Qtum core wallet address. First I have get this wallet address private key, this wallet private key, and second I have get this wallet private key. So you can also get or find more private key of more addresses of Qtum core wallet, but keep in your mind you just simple get the private key of that address which is you have create same system, same software. Okay, so I hope you properly understand. So if you face any problem regarding this issue, so you can comments below this video. I will must reply to you when I will free, and I will solve your problem. So if you get any information from this video, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And you can also visit my website. My website name is cryptowalletsinfo.com. You can get the information about Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Tron, Ethereum, Ripple, Newcoin, Litecoin. And if you click on Altcoin, you can see here I already make the many videos about many cryptocurrency wallets. You can see here XODS, Digibyte, Coinbase, Bitcoin Diamond, Jax Wallet, Binance, Electrum, Namcoin, VeChain, Trust Wallet, Tronlink Pro, Guada Wallet, Coinomi Wallet, Green Address Wallet, and also Dogecoin Wallet. So you just simple go to the Google and type cryptowalletsinfo.com. After that, this website open in front of you where you can get the information regarding your wallets. So I hope to easily get information about any cryptocurrency wallets. So if you like this video, so please share much with your friend, because this video is very helpful for other if they want to find the private key. So we'll meet with you in new video. Bye bye.